Good evening guys, happy Sunday, welcome to the vlog. I've had a busy day as you can tell. I was baking with my grandma this afternoon, this whole day, and I've just had a really pretty chill day apart from that. I did an Instagram live with Sam earlier all about Kingdom of Souls, although we did go out on quite a few tangents. So that's it, I've just had a really chill day. I had to pick my brother and sister up from work this morning technically because they work in a bar, and so I picked them up and didn't sleep till about 2:45 and then got up at 9 and edited the vlog. So I'm a bit tired and I'm off to Alton Towers tomorrow if the weather permits because it's very stormy. But now I am just doing a sheet mask, so I'm doing the Pixie Glow sheet mask that Raz got me for a belated birthday present. Thanks darling, you're a real one, you know. And yeah, so I'm just going to do this and sit and chill for the next 10 minutes, maybe watch a bit of TV, however much I can watch with no glasses on because I can't even see if I'm in focus right now. Story of my life. I don't know which way is the right way. Does it tell you? Oh, it's so wet. There is so much serum on this. Oh, okay, there we go. Here we are, guys. Oh, it's so cold. I'm gonna go lie down now. One ride down, Nemesis is next. I don't know, you can't really see it. Oh wait, you can see it going up. Yeah. And do you know, I forgot I didn't actually like rides as a kid, and now I really do, so. So, storm started, they basically closed everything. Finished it, we were like halfway through the Q13 and just gave up with it, so now I'm just gonna go for donuts and probably go home.
I thought I'd done really well with my work. Ah, the pudding!
Hey guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and I sound so tired. Oh yeah. Went to Alton Towers, which is what you would have just seen in that little montage. Yeah, I just went to Alton Towers with Charlie and a few friends, and it was really lovely. I have to say, it was so fun. I haven't been to Alton Towers since I was about 14, and that's when I was like scared of all the rides, but this time I wasn't, and I went on everything and it was like amazing. I went on all the big ones and I was just so happy with myself. My giveaway is just getting more and more people in it day by day. It's madness. Oh, and then I also went to Miller and Carter for dinner, which was nice. I've only been there like once before, I think. That's like a Christmas meal, but this was really nice. Really enjoyed it. I had like a lamb rump and it was delicious. So me and Davina just filmed a video together. We filmed her doing my makeup, but only with her left hand, hence the bit of a hot mess is. What? Wow. So this is what she did, what she came up with. It was Euphoria inspired. Do you know, when I stand, I don't know why, but I stand like this.
On your shoulder.
So yeah, we filmed this. It was quite good, you know, just tidying up and that now, and I'm quite impressed. So if you want to see that, that'll be up probably next week now. So what's up, my dudes? It's been a while since I've actually spoke to you. I don't know what's been wrong with me this week, to be honest. I'm lacking the motivation for these vlogs now. I've been doing it for about, what, I think this is week 17, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like I've done everything and it's just repetitive. So let me know if you're okay with like the repetitiveness, and I'll carry on. But just thought I'd give you a bit of a roundup of my day. As you can tell, I'm currently in the garden, just finished work. So I just thought I'd give you a bit of a roundup of my situation, what I've been doing really. So Monday, went to Alton Towers. I don't know if I spoke about this, but I went on a few big rides and I was incredibly pleased with myself. Tuesday I was back at work, and it's just been really busy at work, to be honest. Like, I think it's probably why I've not vlogged, because I've just been so tired. And it's pre-period week, so I'm just so lethargic, and I just can't be bothered to do anything. So yeah, I've been going to the gym bit more, had a bit of an off week, as you would have seen last week, and I was just feeling a bit gross. So we're going to the gym, feeling a bit better. What else have I been doing? Oh, my garden. Let me show you the garden. She's doing so well. Okay, you ready? So here are my selection of pansies. We have an orange one. Look at that beauty. Look at her. And I've got so many lilies coming. They're just like coming from all sorts of places. Got this selection of pansies there. This bush, her leaves are growing. It's been raining so much over the past few days, so this bush, I don't know what she is. If anyone knows what this plant is, please let me know. But she's, you know, living her best life, and so are these plants underneath. And then my roses are doing well. They kind of break off and then grow up every so often, quite regularly actually, and then I take off all the dead bits. And then some more pansies. My lavender is doing very well. It smells lovely. Davina's Gold Mary is just like on another level. Look at that. But this one is the one I'm most proud of. Look, I don't know if you remember, but she was literally just a little bud like that, and now she's so beautiful. Let's go to the front. It's been a while since I've looked at these guys because they're at the front and I forget about them. But we've got some nice white and purple pansies. Oh, this one's broken now. The wind. Take that off. I don't know if this is growing. I think so. It looks a lot bigger. It's growing quite a fair bit. This one's still chilling on her own. Oh, we've got a stick growing there. She's alright. And this one really isn't going to get any flowers now until next spring. Hello. Happy Friday. Made it to the weekend, lads. We did indeed. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just editing the vlog. I don't know why, but I kind of want to get it done before Sunday this time and have my weekend to do other things. This evening, the Tandem Collective, who asked me to do the Midnight Sun look, has just invited me to a Zoom event that they have. And I can't remember what it's called, but it's about this book that, in all fairness, I'd never heard of until they just told me about it now. Let's have a look. So they invited me to their Zoom event for Matthew Baker, who is the author of Why Visit America, and it's in conversation with Jen Formage, who is a bookstagrammer, and it sounds so cool. I'd never actually heard of this until today, and I just googled the book and it sounds so cool, so I'll let you know how that goes after, you know, the event is at 7, so I've got about an hour and a half till that happened. And yes, I'm just going to edit my vlog and doing an issue at work today. And it's just me and the parents. And then I'm off out tomorrow. Gonna go to the gym tomorrow. That'll be my 3rd session of the week.
Insightful and challenging book discussions, certainly that I've been part of, and that's a real testament to Matthew's book. So this evening we will be talking about Matthew's writing process. We'll be talking about why he chooses to write short stories. We'll be doing a Q&A, and Matthew has said that anything is fair game.
I forgot to put that in last week's vlog. Oopsies. So that's it for now.
I just kind of realised we've got all these other face brushes.
Mm-hmm.